Good morning and welcome to the Perivis Brief, where we bring you the key corporate updates that matter in just a few minutes. Please note that this is AI-generated content and may contain factual inaccuracies. Always consult original data before making investment decisions. We will take you through the key corporate news, but before that, a word from our technical analyst.
Here is a quick look at yesterday's market action. Hanasa Consumer led the day's gains, rose 20% to upper circuit on very heavy volumes. Reliance Power climbed over 16% with heavy trading. Other notable movers included HPL Electric and Centum Electronics, both up more than 12%, while Venus Pipes also gained over 12%. On the downside, Premier Explosives fell 10% to close in lower circuit. Apollo Microsystems and Windlass Biotech also declined, with Windlass Biotech hitting a new 52-week low. At the sector level, electric utilities outperformed with an average gain of nearly 2%, led by Reliance Power. Insurance and trading sectors advanced, supported by moves in Max Financial and Hanasa Consumer. Diversified financials and capital markets posted above average gains, with IFCI and Angel One among the top contributors. Energy and media and entertainment sectors also finished above the market average. Information technology, metals and mining, and consumer staples were broadly in line with the market, though Centum Electronics and Hindustan Copper saw notable gains. Chemicals, consumer discretionary, and commercial and professional services lagged. Capital goods saw several stocks, TBO Tech, PowerMech Projects, Indotech Transformers, and HPL Electric register strong moves in volumes. In metals and mining, Gravita India was active, and APL Apollo Tubes reached a new 52-week high. Across the market, stocks like Bharat Electronics, Nazara Technologies, MRF, South Indian Bank, and Max Financial hit new 52-week highs. That is it from the price action desk. Now back to the main segment.
Now let us dive into today's key corporate news. Here is what we will cover: major earnings across sectors, key business developments, capital infusions, leadership changes, and governance updates. Starting with industrials and capital goods. Amber Enterprises posted FY 2025 revenue of 9,973 crores, up 48% year-on-year, with net profit at 251 crores, up 80%. Azad Engineering reported FY 25 standalone revenue of 453 crores, up 33%, with an EBITDA margin of 36% and PAT at 89 crores. Exports made up nearly 92% of revenue. Transrail Lighting delivered FY 25 revenue of 5,300 crores, up 30%. PAT at 327 crores, up 40%. In real estate, Max Estates gained 5.6%. After FY 25, residential sales rose 300% year-on-year to 5,300 crores, with collection efficiency at 95%. In metals and materials, HEG Limited reported FY 25 revenue being down 10% and profits dropped over 60% to 115 crores. The company cited industry headwinds. Other notable results: Afcon's infrastructure reported fourth quarter revenue of about 3,200 crores, down 12% year-on-year. This is the first full quarter earnings report since its listing. Gopal Snacks reported FY 25 revenue of 1,468 crores and net profit of 19 crores, with a March quarter loss due to a 47 crore exceptional loss from a fire incident. Business developments and major orders. Bajaj Auto subsidiary BAIH signed a call option to acquire up to 50% of Pierer Bajaj AG, the holding company of KTM, for about 50.65 million euros. Bundara Engineering secured a government order for a 2,000 megawatt solar project in Andhra Pradesh, adding 9,000 crores to the order book, bringing it up to 14,000 crores. Embassy Developments announced a 10.6 billion rupee capital infusion through warrant conversion by promoters and Blackstone. Auditor and governance updates. Reliance Infrastructure reported a net profit of 4,938 crores for FY 25, including an exceptional gain. The auditor's report included a disclaimer of opinion and highlighted uncertainties regarding the company's ability to continue as a going concern. Inox Wind and Inox Wind Energy received NCLT approval for their scheme of arrangement. Ola Electric commenced deliveries of its Roadster X motorcycle series across India. That is it for today's Perivis Brief. If you found it useful, feel free to pass it along to someone who might too. See you tomorrow.